In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your accountant access to QuickBooks Online, a process that should only take about 5 minutes. This is an essential feature for businesses as it allows your accountant to seamlessly manage finances and ensure everything is up to date without needing to be physically present. Let's get started with these easy steps. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks Online URL, or simply search for QuickBooks Online if that's easier for you. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the Sign In option. Click on it to begin the process. Next, you'll need to enter your email and password. These credentials are what you use to log into your QuickBooks account. It's a good idea to ensure that your password is strong and secure to protect your financial information. If you've forgotten your password, you'll find options on this page to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, click on Sign In again. Upon signing in, QuickBooks might ask you to verify your identity. You can choose how you want to receive this verification. It's a simple step where QuickBooks ensures that it's really you trying to access the account. This could involve receiving a code via text message, email, or using an authentication app depending on what you've previously set up. Once you've completed the verification, you'll gain access to your QuickBooks account. Now let's go to the My Accountant section, which is pivotal for granting access. On the QuickBooks dashboard, look for this option. It's usually found under a sidebar or menu option, but if you're having trouble, use the search feature within QuickBooks to locate it quickly. After you've navigated to the My Accountant page, you'll see a section where you can type in your accountant's email address. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this is where the invite to access your QuickBooks account will be sent. Double check for typos or errors to avoid issues later on. Once you've entered the email address, click on the Invite button. This action sends an invitation directly to your accountant, granting them access to view and manage your QuickBooks account. It's a significant step that ensures collaboration between you and your accountant is smooth and efficient. Finally, it's good practice to personally notify your accountant that you've sent them an invite code. This helps them know to expect the email and can ensure it doesn't get lost in a spam folder. They might need some guidance on knowing where to find it or even how to troubleshoot should they encounter any issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully provided your accountant with access to your QuickBooks Online account. This not only saves time but also streamlines the process of financial management in your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tips.